This mathcast is created by Katie Aldrich on March 27th. The intended audience is 2nd grade, and the learning objective is to bundle and count ones, tens, and hundreds to 1,000. Drawing models of ones, tens, and hundreds. First, I'm going to draw a picture for what each unit represents. The small box is going to be for ones. The rectangle is going to be for tens, and the big box is going to be for hundreds. Now we're going to draw and label what 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 5 ones would look like. For your 400s, you're going to need 4 big boxes, for your 3 tens, you're going to need 3 rectangles, and for 5 ones, you're going to need 5 small boxes. Now we're going to say the number from the largest unit to the smallest unit. And this is 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 5 ones. This number is also said as 435. Now we're going to do the same thing, but with different numbers. We're going to use 6 hundreds, 7 tens, and 3 ones. To draw and label this, we're going to need 6 big boxes, 7 rectangles, and 3 small boxes. These are your hundreds, these are your tens, and these are your ones. So now we're going to say the number from the largest unit to the smallest unit, which is 6 hundreds, 7 tens, and 3 ones. This number is also said as 673. The numbers from before were 435 and 673. The different units that are shown in these two numbers are hundreds, which we represented with the big box, tens, which we represented with a rectangle, and ones, which we represented with a small box. So there are 3 different units used to make these numbers. How many units of 1 are in 110? 110 is represented with one large rectangle. This rectangle has 10 pieces put together. Those 10 pieces are the same as these 10 small boxes. Just these 10 small boxes are put together to make this one large rectangle. So there are 10 units of 1 in 110. How many units of 10 are in 100? 100 is represented with this big box, and tens are represented by the rectangles. If these 10 rectangles were to be put together, it would make this one large box. So there are 10 units of 10 in 100. How many units of 100 are in 1,000? This cube represents the 1,000, and each of these large boxes represents the 100. So if all of these big boxes, each worth 100, were put together, they would make this cube, which is worth 1,000. So there are 10 units of 100 in 1,000.